When I make chicken like that, there is nothing left. Let's get started. Take a knife and cut strips into 2 units of chicken fillet. Ah, this part is like a little cooking surgery. Now, season with salt, pepper, garlic powder, thyme and paprika. Mix everything very well. And don't forget, seasoning is the secret of happiness. Remember to repeat the process on the other side, see? We want a tasty chicken from all angles. In a frying pan, heat a drizzle of olive oil. Add the chicken and fry until golden brown on both sides. Turn when necessary and enjoy the smell. While the chicken is on the fire, take a board and cut 2 units of red onion. The aroma will make you water. Remove the chickens from the pan, which are already at the desired point. In the same pan, add another drizzle of oil and put the onions to brown. And don't forget to add 3 cloves of garlic. This will make our recipe even more irresistible. Now, put a tablespoon of mustard and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Mix everything very well. Feel the wonderful smell that will invade your kitchen. It's magic time. Add 180 milliliters of beer and a tablespoon of honey. Let it cook for a minute. What is better than beer and honey together? Only the end result. Then put the chicken back in the skillet along with the sauce and let it cook for 15 minutes. Patience is worth it, I promise. To give that final touch, add chives to taste. Look how beautiful it looks. And here it is. Our chicken fillet with beer is ready to be consumed and was a wonder, isn't it? Did you like this recipe? So don't forget to like and comment on what you found, see? Do it at home and tell me what was the reaction of your palate. Bon appetit and see you next culinary adventure.